Okay, it's feeding time, and as you can see, we have the Parrotlets and Quakers together in the bowl, and the green Quakers and green cheeks over here, all chowing down together. And they are munching on their fruit pieces, and the Parrotlets. And for the most part, they get along, except for the occasional scuffle because somebody gets an attitude.
Don't forget Fuji. Don't forget Fuji in there. So this is Fuji.
Yeah, this is Fuji. He's already got a mommy and daddy waiting for him.
He's got a whole family waiting for him.
Got a whole family waiting for him. You see him with his little orange lipstick now. Oh, I'm sorry. Did we not get you too? This is the other little baby. This is Fuji's brother or sister. His little Parrotlet close up.
Who's potentially got a family soon too.
Dirty Beak Quaker.
Been munching.
Another little Quaker with dirty beak. Got food all over his beak. There's a little Parrotlet with food all over. There's the little green cheek, yellow-sided, sitting in the food bowl puppy garden.